Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing and exploring programs that are perfect for beginners looking to earn big. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services of another company. By sharing an affiliate link, affiliates drive traffic to a brand's website, and when a purchase is made, they earn a commission. For beginners, affiliate marketing offers an accessible avenue to earn online. Most programs are free to join and often include training to guide you. Without the need to develop products or manage customer service, you can focus on building a robust affiliate system to boost your income. Let's look at some types of affiliate programs you can join. Physical product programs, ideal for promoting tangible products via an affiliate website. Digital product programs, often associated with higher commission rates, popular in industries like software and online learning. Service-based programs generate recurring income from subscriptions to services such as web hosting or software tools. When choosing an affiliate program, look for those that provide a high commission rate and a long cookie life. Programs with high earnings potential often offer a dependable affiliate system, complete with valuable resources and tools for marketers. Transparency in the commission structure is crucial. Look for programs that provide clear terms, dedicated support, and even affiliate training to help you maximize your efforts. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding way to earn passive income. To learn more about affiliate marketing, please visit fountina.net. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into affiliate marketing. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. See you next time.